Alright guys, so in this one we'll be tackling a next question that I get often enough, which is how do you we'll be cloning pancakeswap. Okay, again, same as always guys, if you want to work with me, if you want to hire my agency, link down below, and we can do something for you. But yeah, in this one we'll just be going over how to create your own pancakeswap clone. um you know, pancakeswap is a really popular decentralized exchange. um Lots of features and stuff. So in this one we'll just be really a mini series going from scratch, learning how you would go about like creating the clone, learning what resources you have, what things you might need, setting up servers and stuff like that. So this is gonna be a pretty interesting one guys, a pretty interesting mini series. I'll try and leave everything timestamped down below. But yeah, if you like these sorts of videos, leave a like, let me know, also a comment to let me know what type of videos you want to see, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing we'll be doing is, well, how the fuck do you actually clone pancakeswap? So pancakeswap is actually open source, meaning that the code is for the most part online and available. You kind of just have to find it and then know how to put it together. So we'll be going through a lot of GitHub repos, reading a lot of resources, maybe watching one or two YouTube videos here and there, because I'm sure people have done this before. Opening up the editor a little bit, setting up some servers, all the good, nice stuff that you hire my agency for. Because who got time for that shit, right? Alright, so first thing we do, pancakes up, GitHub. Okay, this is what you do. Now, wouldn't it be great if GitHub just had like a I know they have like a clone button, but um like a copy site button or something. Somebody should make that. That's a great idea actually. And dude, like really, somebody should make that. The guys link down below. Like, hit me up if you want. If you want us to make that. I'll be your first investor. Alright, so here we have the front end. So pancakeswap is actually like like a bunch of resources pulled together. So it's front end, then like all the back end stuff, some scripts, and typically we just call them like front end and back end. But in this case, the back end is more like um, you know, APIs and interfaces, as well as a few smart contracts that we'll have to customize, probably using Solidity and the front end, and I guess most of that, like a lot of the back end is in TypeScript or Node.js. I can see here it's using Vue. Pretty interesting because I'm not like a Vue fanboy or anything, but we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. So first thing we'll look into, let's just look at the front end, because that's kind of what we know, right? It should be pretty standard stuff. Um, just take a look at some of these files. Right here we can see is TypeScript. TypeScript is a variant of JavaScript. Like, you should actually look up more about TypeScript. Actually, I'm sure I've like worked with it before, but um, yeah, like it's one of those things where you just do and you like, you know, it's funny, like me, like when you're coding you use like one thing to know. I think it's a big difference with like me and most people. You use like one thing to know like 10,000 things. It's just like, so I mean, if you know JavaScript, you'll know TypeScript, but I have like four, whereas before I've like formally looked at like every language that I know, like from like the people who wrote them. TypeScript is, I believe, more of like a community thing that kind of just like popped up out of nowhere actually, kind of like Node.js, but it do be happening like that sometimes. Um, yeah, let's look at some source. Alright, so typical React layout, you know, typical shit React code in jail. Well, I'm not React like biggest fan. I actually think it's like what garbage, but I mean the people love it, so we must use it. So yeah, I ever have to like do a custom project, like React won't be like my first choice. But yeah, pretty typical stuff. Let's actually see if we can like throw this up, right? Like let's just try and see what we can do, if we can just like download this and like load it up somewhere. Man, my desktop is a mess. God damn. Um yeah, let's clean up the desktop a little bit actually. Hmm. The fuck? Tail.exe. Okay. This is because it's like syncing with my Dropbox, guys. I guess maybe internet's a little bit slow today. I don't know. Um, let's move some of these notepad files here, as well as this is the backup that I can delete. Move some of these recent notepad files here that I used to take notes. Delete this. I can delete this. Why do I still have this app? Guys, if anybody knows how to fucking move money from like the fucking Omni network, like USDT, OmniLayer, like please let me know what the fuck, bro. This thing just like up and died, like nowhere accepts this thing. It's so weird. It fucking coin payments, bro, just like screws you over. Fucking ridiculous. Change, actually, let's check out change this. We're getting distracted here. Let's check out change. Let's see if it accepts USDT. Oh my fucking god, boys, we found it. We found the plug. Oh my god, 100. Like, oh, I never mind. What is this actually? It's pretty cool. Enhanced trading with your new exchange platform. I guess like an exchange. A lot of places actually use this exchange. I wonder why most of them don't use like Binance Exchange. Ah, yeah, this is super surprising. Like, why wouldn't most um oh, I get it. Never mind. Yeah, a lot of wallets use this. I guess Binance didn't exist in those days. But anyways, we're being distracted, we're being distracted. Fuck that. Um yeah, let's clone this thing. That's better. Alright guys, so once you have your front end downloaded, like you just extract it. This is all typical stuff. Let's just try and like do a react run, see what happens. Um, npm run start. Okay, what's the worst that could happen? React scripts is not recognized. Let's do what? Right. So I think it, like obviously we need to do this first. Oh, it was a big. Uh, all these things are installing. It's go look at TypeScript. What the fuck is it like? I know it's a JavaScript view, but what actually is it? Oh no, I think I know this. It's like um linted JavaScript. What the Yeah, so it's basically like a JavaScript linter, like making JavaScript more like C or something like that. Which is I can see why you'd want to do that for like huge applications with like multiple like developers. But to be honest, like I mean, like I feel like if you'd be doing that anyways, like you probably shouldn't be using JavaScript. You know, but be real, I get it, but I don't get it. Ooh, I mean this autocomplete, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. I get it. You know. All right, and our install is done. Let's just go over this to see. We'll get back to you later. I look like we got all installed without any serious issues. Now we just run npm run start. Oh, starty. Somebody should make that a command. See if this shit works out the box. That'd be pretty cool actually if the front end just like ran outside of the box. That would actually be really dope. Praise the GitHub gods if it does. Um, Actually, if it does, this would be like the first like loading, loading. Oh, man, I need to like. Did I drink any water or like anything this morning? I swear, I'm like dying high key. Oh my god. It's like you just get up and like I just get up and like went like directly to the computer. That's how you know I've been like doing this shit for too long. I swear. God, this thing is taking for fucking ever. Uh, this thing is blazing through CPU. Way OBS look like. Ooh. It worked, boys. We did it. Fuck, bro. We did it, boy. Wait. What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, Oh wait, this thing like it, the fuck, it does this thing connect to uh is this safe? Let me see. If I somebody like hacks my computer, like fuck it, let's do it. Who cares? Ooh. Right, so the front end does work out of the box, which is great. Like these links are all kind of broken though, and you know you expect to see some broken, but like, why am I surprised by this? Like this is how like most of my apps work. They'll just run the front end from your PC and then use the actual site's backend. I wonder if swapping works. I don't know. I think you like kicked us out there. Might have been like too much to ask for. I think it was. It's all good. 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 All right. So but yeah, that's the front end. Now we have like the front end. So this is like running from our PC. So we could like make changes here. Actually, let's just open up the code here real quick to get a glimpse of this. No, don't know what changes you're talking about. Yeah, but this is like all running from my computer, right? What the fuck? Why when I came here? Anyways, but yeah, this is all like running from our PC, so we could change something. Maybe we like change something here to see something cool. Can we change like the background color like real quick just to um demo that? Yeah. So yeah, let's just change color here, see if we can change this boy to blacks background. I need to disable that thing. I so weird. Or get it to work properly. What the fuck? Um, yeah, let's just disable this real quick so as to not annoy ourselves. Script and that is right. So let's see if it worked. There we go, boys. We live, boys. We live, boys. Like we did some things. We changed colors. All right, and so yeah, that's the front. That's the front end, like running from our PC. That means we've got that going. Now we can like go ahead and make our changes to like the front end if you want, but we're gonna download the rest of the code, poke around it some more, see exactly how this thing all pieces together before we start making too many changes. So yeah, but that's it for like the first part of like the video. Again, if you like these types of videos, if you want something like this done, don't be afraid to like reach out to me in the comments down below. Get some work done from my agency, but yeah, I will see you in the next one, part 2.